Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to factory reset to your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, first of all you need to press the setting button on your remote control. After that you need to go to general and privacy. Press to the rise button. Now go all the way down until you can see the word factory data reset. Okay, select on it, and this time you need to input the pin. The default pin will be 0 0 0 0. Okay, after that you need to confirm reset once more time. Press the rise button and now press select. Okay, your TV will restart automatically after resets complete. All you need to do is just wait. Okay, the TV now restarting. And now it's get back to the factory default, and you can now reset up your TV again. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can reset your Samsung Smart TV model 2025 to the factory default. And if you want to find out for how to set up back your TV, let's check out the link in the description, or you can find out more in my channel, the first time unboxing and set up this TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.